Every jar begins long before the factory, with fruit grown for volume, ripeness, and consistency.
Only fully mature fruit can survive the scale of industrial jam making.
Appletons. Quality control begins at the source, not on the factory floor.
Speed matters. Freshness defines flavor. These fruits are harvested not for beauty, but for transformation.
The journey from field to factory has begun. Once picked, time becomes the most fragile ingredient.
This is where agriculture scales into manufacturing. Every delivery is recorded before it's released inside. Control ensures consistency at massive volume. The factory is already awake and waiting. Now the raw fruit officially enters the production chain. This is the threshold where raw harvest becomes industrial food.
Every movement here is measured in tons per hour.
Cyme is not excess, it is efficiency. The environment changes instantly to protect the product. From here, fruit never stops moving. The next stage removes everything except flavor. Cleanliness at scale requires force, control, and precision. Every surface is cleaned, not rushed.
Human eyes still catch what machines cannot.
Technology Dalgis refines what harvesting began. Nothing unwanted moves forward from here. Preparation is complete. Transformation begins next. Uniformity is essential for large-scale consistency. Only the usable core continues forward.
This is the raw heart of the jam.
Balance defines flavor at industrial scale. Before heat, ingredients must agree. Now the process turns flavor into jam.
Alignment is the first step in flawless presentation.
Consistency is measured in milliliters. Sealing preserves both flavor and freshness. Packaging speaks before the jar is opened. Human oversight complements automation. Every jar moves in harmony toward distribution. Even the largest jars submit to microscopic scrutiny.
Texture defines both quality and experience.
Chemical balance ensures taste consistency across every jar. Safety and shelf life are tested before packaging.
Information flows as seamlessly as the jam itself.
Only after this approval does production reach its end.
Volume meets order as each jar finds its place.
Protection ensures these extra-large jars survive the journey ahead.
Stored under controlled conditions, every jar is ready for dispatch.
Distribution is as precise as production itself.
And this is how modern factories produce jam from start to finish.
And this is how modern factories produce jam from start to finish.